Teachers and professors of Reddit, what's the best answer you've gotten on an exam that wasn't technically wrong? 1. English teacher in Japan. The students were to finish the sentence, "I can't stand," and someone wrote, "I can't stand on water." 2. In an intro bio lab quiz, I asked my students to define bilateral symmetry. One student simply drew an arrow and wrote "C reverse." On the back of the quiz was an extremely ornate and intricate drawing of Chewbacca. 10 out of 10 quality. Running down the middle of Chewbacca was a dotted line. Full points. 3. Geology test. Is this a rock or a mineral? My answer: yes. Got full credit and didn't even realize I had misread the question until I got the test back. 4. My wife is an elementary school teacher and she actually has a Word document of her favorite answers to test and homework questions. One that stands out the most to me was an answer to a homework question. The kids were practicing their 2's times tables and the question said something along the lines of, John lives in his house, with his mom, dad, brother, and grandpa. How many total hands do the people in John's house have altogether?